Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time to be here, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a sweet comment down below. To my subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back and watch my videos. So thank you so much. So today I've decided to walk around. It's on a weekend, by the way, it's on Sunday. So I've decided to walk around so that I can have a weekend away from Nairobi. It's not far from Nairobi, but at least you take it's about 18 kilometers from Nairobi to this place. The place is called Rongai. Is a hotel called Asyana Gardens Hotel. This is where I have come to relax a little bit. You know, when the week is tough, you need at least to get away from the city, the hustle and the bustle of the city, so that you can see a different view, a different vibe. That's why I've come. It's on a Sunday afternoon and I've come to relax and enjoy myself in Rongai. If you have been to this place before, leave a comment down below. If you have been to this place before, you can leave your comment down below. How did you find the place? So it's a place that I've never been before and I want to discover this place. So you are most welcome. Let's discover this place together. Let's see what they offer here so that you can get an idea of how the place looks like or what they offer in this place. So let me show you around this Asyana Gardens. It's a very beautiful place. By the way, as I show you around, you will understand. Thank you so much. You are most welcome. Let's enjoy Asyana Gardens together. It's a Sunday afternoon. Let's enjoy ourselves together. Thank you. As you can see, the place is very beautiful. I'm relaxing here. The sun is a little bit hot, but it's the best weather when you come out to have fun. It's a place where you can come with children as family. Children have a very big space for to enjoy themselves, and as a family, you can really have fun in this place. I'm loving the place already, and I've met my friend here. What's your name?
Chansey.
She's called Chansey, so she's having fun here. Have you ever been here before?
Yeah.
She has been here before. How do you find the place?
It's good.
It's good. She's enjoying herself. She has been here before, so she's having fun. You can come here with family and have fun here at Asyana Gardens. As you swing, you remind yourself how you used to do it when you are young. It's a beautiful thing to do. Let's continue. Let me continue show you around what they have offer here and what is happening here at Asyana Gardens. As you can see, there is a big space here for children to play. They can play here. The area is if you see the ground is manicured. It's very, very nice. The ground is very, very sweet. The floor, everything is in order. The place is very, very, very neat. And as you can see, the children are playing. There is a space where children can play. The area is very big, very, very big. So this is one of the sections as I continue to show you around what they offer here, and it's one of the sections. As you can see, there are so many activities that you can do here. We have like for swimming pool, if you love swimming, swimming pool is here and it is huge. By the way, you can come here on a weekend, like a sunny day like this. You come enjoy yourself, you swim here. If you don't know how to swim, well, there are people here who are going to show you how to swim. The area is huge. You can see also there is team building there. As people normally come here to have fun, you can come here as friends and have fun and play together. You know, you are never too old to enjoy yourself. You can come here, have fun and enjoy yourself. This place, if you'd like to have a party, maybe it's your birthday party, you can do it here. The place is so huge, so huge, so huge. You can come and do your birthday party here. If it's a wedding, you can even do your garden, beautiful garden wedding here. Or you just want to have fun, you can come here and have fun. The place is very huge, it's very accommodating, especially like family. If you want to say that you'd like to get away from the city and have fun here, maybe over the weekend or even weekdays, you can come here and enjoy as family. There's one thing that I've noted, that's the reason why I'm insisting about family. The reason why I'm talking about family a lot, as you can see, the children are playing. They don't serve alcohol. That is one thing I want to point out. They don't serve alcohol here. So it's a place where you not be uncomfortable. Even if you have come here with your children, you can come eat here, relax, have your juices, have your sodas here. But alcohol, they don't serve alcohol here. So you can come and have fun. If you are looking for a location where you can have fun or get away from the city, I can see the place is beautiful. You can come and have fun as the way I'm enjoying myself. You can see, my dear people, the place is very huge. They have different sections. This section where I am, they sell coffee. It's upstairs and they sell coffee. As you can see, the view is so beautiful. See the view. When you're here, the view is so beautiful. You can see rongai, the beauty of rongai when you are here, and you can see the beauty of Asyana Gardens when you are here. The place is so beautiful. You can see their manicured garden is so nice. And as you are here, there is accommodation on this other side. So if you want to get away from the city, get away and enjoy yourself over weekend, you can come here. And they have beautiful accommodations. You can come here and enjoy your weekend here. So as you dine here, you have beautiful meals here. You can also relax and say, this weekend I'm not going back to Nairobi. I want to enjoy myself here in Rongai. And I'm with my beautiful lady here. How are you, my dear?
Fine.
You work here in Asyana Gardens?
Yes, I am.
You see, we have come here to have fun. We have come from Nairobi to Rongai to have fun. She's one of the people who work here. They really take care of their own. She's here at this coffee place to see if people are enjoying themselves or how is the environment here. The place is very beautiful. As you can see around, the place is huge for coffee. The coffee area is very huge, and It has been set very, very well. They have areas. This area you can do your work. As you can see, people are doing their work. They have carried their laptops, so you can come here, relax. As you are having coffee, you can use your laptop and do your work also. So as you're working, you enjoy yourself, you're eating, and you're also working to see more money, because we need the money. Yeah, this is the place where they sell coffee. You can see the view is very, very, very beautiful. So I'll show you more as we continue walk around this Asyana garden. It's a beautiful place to be. Have a sweet tooth like me, because I do have a sweet tooth. Me, I love cakes. I do love cakes. I love sweet things. And they offer that too. If you're having a birthday, maybe you have come here from far and you say, I will not carry my cake all the way from where I'm coming. They offer those services. You can order birthday cakes, as you can see, or any type of cake that you like, or you just want to have fun and cut your cake. They have this section for where they sell cake. If you want a small bite, you can have it. If you want a big one for your party or for your birthday, you can have it. You can have black for any type of cake that you'd like to have. They can do it for you. And the setting, oh my goodness, the setting is so beautiful. As you can see, beautiful, comfortable place to sit. Very, very nice. The chairs, they are very cozy, very nice. A very nice place to be as you are eating your cake. If you have a sweet tooth like me, so you can enjoy yourself. You are looking for meat pie. This is the area, by the way, where they sell this type of cakes, meat pie, or this type of snacks. This is where they sell. Come to the end of my video. I've really enjoyed myself here at Asyana Gardens. By the way, before I end, this is another setting. If you come as a group, you can come and see. They have different settings where if you come as a group, you can come and sit and enjoy yourselves here. This place, as you can see, the setting is so beautiful. If you come as a group or you come as a family, you can come and sit here. There are so many like this ones around here at Asyana Garden. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time to be here, kindly subscribe to my channel and you like this video, and see you on the next one.